Hey friends, so we've been out here working at our cabin here in Colorado. We have these long work days and we really like to spend the night so we can get more work done and reduce the travel time. Well, not having a bed, a proper bed at least, with a good frame has really been a problem until now. So in today's video, we're gonna check out this new bed frame. This is the Furnulem bed frame and you can find it right on Amazon. It's a budget-friendly option and it's actually really cool. So I'm gonna set it up today. We're gonna look over the features and then I'm gonna give you my quick review. Now when the box first arrives, it's gonna look like this. It's fairly long, not super thick, but it's very heavy. I was able to manage it with just myself, but again, they really suggest two people be lifting this and moving it around. Inside the box, you can see everything is packaged nicely. We'll go ahead and unbox all this good stuff and show you all the parts. Okay, as you can see, we have all the parts laid up against the wall here. The unboxing is complete. It did take me a while. You will have a whole big set of these bolts that you need to keep track of. There's also some Allen keys that you can use. These are the light strips, the power cord, and then some adhesive tape here. Now, as you can see, each of these parts are labeled with a letter. And then basically these instructions are pretty easily laid out here. It shows you what letter to use or associated part, as well as which bolt goes with which. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the instructions, the bolts. I'll put everything together and let you know how the process went. All right, so I wanted to pause really quick and show you guys the basic framework for this bed. Now it's taken me roughly 45 minutes to get to this spot. I've been working, pretty straight through, listening to a podcast, so I'm not going crazy. But again, this does take a little bit of time, so give yourself plenty of room to read the instructions and put things together. As you can see, it's a really solid frame as far as support goes. Plenty of crossbars. We have this middle section. They also included some of this foam tape, which is really nice, as these markers go across that metal piece, and it just helps to quiet noise to have, again, minor little things like that cushioning available. You can see the headboard. This kind of blends into the back of our cabin, but I really do like the look of this board. Now, this is kind of a fake veneer that's on top of this particle board you can see right here. But again, it looks fairly good. Don't expect anything super heavy, super intense, super, I'd say, crazy high quality. This is definitely a budget bed frame, but so far it's actually looking really good. Now a heads up, the one bit that I had a lot of problems with is putting the screws from the back of this into this board. It basically screws through here. I ended up giving up on the screws that were included and just using some traditional wood screws to go directly into this to hold and support it a little bit better. So that's my only struggle with the build process so far. I also want to quickly show you how this wiring works. Basically, there are lights. You can see the LED lights underneath the baseboard here, or the footboard, and they go along over here. There's like a junction box right there, and then basically you strap on the wire that runs along the length of here. This goes up and connects underneath here. You can see all the wires there, and then obviously into this USB port in order to make the lights work. Now, in order for this to get power, basically it's a box. Again, I'll show you that underneath here. That runs all the way down here, and you can see I had to run it along the wall that way and into an outlet. And then the mattress should cover up this wire that's hanging down. Okay, and here's everything all set up with the mattress. You can see we have the red light going right now. It's basically coming out of that back portion. And I'm not picking this up great on camera, but in the dark, you really get a nice glow kind of above the headboard. And then obviously at the foot of the bed down here. Now this also comes with this really handy remote. We had red, there's blue, hit the yellow, as you can see up there. So we can switch those colors easily. You can see I've got yellow, I've got blue, and I've got this purple here. Again, that both the headboard and the footboard down here will change colors. We also have red and green and blue up here, darker colors, as well as a ton of other options. We have timers here, we have a lock mechanism. We actually have some brightness settings, so you can see I can actually tune this up so it gets as bright as possible. We can actually go into a mode where we have kind of a strobe effect going just like this. And again, there's all sorts of different modes to play with. I'm gonna go ahead and kick it back onto the blue. Now again, if you're trying to sleep and you don't want that light strobing, obviously, we can just go ahead and hit that off button. And then it's just simply a really nice bed frame. Now I've obviously laid on this, tried everything out. It's really stable. It doesn't feel creaky or like it's gonna fall apart. It really does feel nice and stable. So you can really get this, throw a decent mattress on it, and expect to get a really decent night of sleep right out of the box. So there you go, friends. That is another great piece of furniture, a bed frame right there by Furnulem that is now here in the cabin ready for us to use. Super excited. We're gonna get some sheets on here, some pillows, really make this look nice for you. But I wanted to kind of show it to you bare bones at this time so you can see exactly what you're getting. If you're interested in grabbing this bed for yourself, we can find it right here on Amazon. We'll put some links in the description box below. Friends, thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned. We got a ton more videos coming from the cabin as well as product videos for things that we're using out here so you get a better idea of what you're getting yourself into. Your shopping experience can be better, and ultimately you can save some money. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again on the next one.